I know this is sensitive, but I'll say it regardless because I'm flying out later in the evening. You, the honorable judges of the Supreme Court, have just made a decision that a civilian should not be tried in a military court. There is what I call executive pushback, as is expected. The question is, did you make the right decision in accordance with acceptable international law? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. The question is that acceptable now? Politically, your decision is considered to be politically incorrect. In 50 years' time, you will be vindicated. And that is what warriors of justice must do at certain time. That which is unpopular now may much later be seen to be significant in the manner in which it pushes the agenda.